Hi everyone, and welcome once again to our third session of leading a healthy, active lifestyle. I hope all of you guys have been doing some sort of exercise and following us. We have our regular workouts every day starting at 6 in the morning. You can join us for our virtual batches. And we also have our account on Instagram where you can do some exercises looking at the videos there on Preeti Elton for fitness. Today we're going to do upper body. Okay, but we'll start off first with our stretching, our warm-up, and then we'll get into our exercises. Okay, so we start off first. Before we start, you need either a mat. Try to wear some indoor shoes so that you will find it easy to do the exercises, and take breaks whenever you can. Okay, if you want to. Right. So we start off with our stretching with our wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Shoulders, rotate, touch your elbows. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next we move on to our waist. You can widen your legs, rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Knees next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ankles, if you want to take support, you can do so. Okay, lift your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Change leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now just twist your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push your hands behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, touch your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once again, touch your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Super. We start off with the warm up. Okay, we'll start off with a normal jog. Okay, jogging at pace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, skipping. This is the normal version, and this is the modified. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We'll move on to jumping jacks. This is the normal version. This is the modified. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We next move on to mummy kicks. Okay, hands got to be chest level in this much area, not too far, and kick your legs at the same time. Okay, this is the normal version and the modified. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Super. We next move on to high knees. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, butt kicks. Hands to the side. Kick your heels to your butt. 1, 2. This is the modified, the normal version. Okay. So this kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. We jog again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So we're done with our stretching and warm up. You can increase the number of sets slowly. Even as you're doing that, your stamina will increase. Okay, we'll take a quick water break. Okay, you can have a sip of water. I'll have my fresh. Okay, this helps to boost my stamina. Also help me feel fresh during the day. Okay. Super. Okay. So we now move on to doing upper body exercises. Okay, and for that you can use either dumbbells. Okay, if you have dumbbells, that's great. You can start off otherwise with maybe a half liter or a 1 liter bottle. Okay, or 2 bottles. Right. So we first start off with push-ups. Okay. Make sure you get the posture correct at all times. Okay, so hands will be shoulder length, chest level. Okay, and legs out and push up. Okay, you got to look up in front and push up. For all those being modified, okay, let your legs go out, drop your knees, okay, and then do the push up. Okay, sometimes people bring the knees so close. Okay, that won't help much. Okay, when your knees are a little behind, the pressure comes on your upper body, on your city, and then you're able to push up. Ready? So we do 10 counts of push-ups, okay, and then we take a break again. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Super. Loosen your hands. Okay. Loosen your hands. We'll do one more set. You can have a sip of water if you want. So all these exercises can be done in the comfort of your home. You don't need to go to a gym, okay, or a fitness studio. Right? So one more set of normal push-ups. Hands will be shoulder length, chest length. Ready? On my count. 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That was great. Okay, loosen your hands. Okay. Have a sip. And take your water bottles, maybe half liter or 1 liter, or your dumbbells. Okay. Stand shoulder length so that your body weight is balanced on both legs. And all you have to do is just raise your hands to your shoulders and down. Okay? So this is the normal. Those who want to do modified, you can raise your hands as much as you can. Okay? Ready? 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale and exhale. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Super. You can place them down. Loosen your hands. Once again. Have a sip again. We'll do one more set. Okay, same thing. Stand shoulder length. Okay. Try to keep your body straight, your chest out, hands to the side. Okay, look straight. Let's go. 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's just great. Okay, you did a good job. Okay, once again, loosen your hands. Loosen your hands. Okay, you can do more sets if you want, but go slow. Okay, as you do more and more exercises, your stamina will increase. Okay, have a sip of water. Okay, we'll go down again. And this time, we're going to do wide push-ups. Okay, so if you're using yoga mat, hands will go out of the mat. Okay, inside was normal. Okay, so much is normal. Wide is your hands going as wide as possible, chest level. Okay, not up but down. Okay. Legs out for all those doing normal. For all those doing modified, drop your knees. Don't get them too close. Okay, just legs out and drop your knees. Okay, lock them. Look up. Let's go. 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job guys. Loosen your hands again. Okay, you can have a sip of water if you want to. We'll do one more set of this. Wide push-ups. Ready? Three, 2, and 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job guys. Have a sip of water. Take our weights again. Okay. Once again, I recommend if any of you have joint pains or you're finding it difficult, you can take even a half-liter bottle, or you can do without weights also. Just that your bones need a little movement. Especially ladies, sometimes you'll have joint pains. You can do this exercise. It help you, strengthen your bones, your muscles, and all those will weight gain also. You need to do little weight exercises with dumbbells or with little extra weight. Help you build your muscles. Okay. So the first exercise we did was this. Okay. Now once again, stand shoulder length, chest out. Pull the dumbbells like this. Okay, in front of your legs, and just bring it up, shoulder length and down. Okay. That's all. Okay, ready? We'll do it together. 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. 1, 2, inhale and exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. You can keep your weights down, loosen your hands. Okay, just loosen your hands slightly. All of you might be doing it after a long time. Your muscles will get stiff. That's why we have to cool down. That will help you. Once again, stretch your muscles, can cool down your body. Okay, have a sip. We do this exercise again. Spine shoulder length. Spine leg should be shoulder length gap. Okay. Hands in front. Keep the chest out. Let's go. 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, guys. Push. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, that's awesome. Once again, loosen your hands. Okay, if you want, you can have a sip of a fresh. Okay, and we now do something called as a diamond push-up. Okay, now your fingers need to be in this pose, like this. Okay, thumb and index finger touching. It has to come below your solar plexus. Okay, this. So get on your knees. Okay, and get this diamond just below your solar plexus. Okay, and then take your legs out. First we'll hold. Okay, all you have to do is hold. For all those doing modified, just drop your knees and hold. Okay, you're only holding for 20 counts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Loosen your hands. That's great. Okay. So I'll show you sideways now. Make sure you get this posture correct. Okay. Fingers. Okay. Right below your solar plexus. Okay. Like this. So many a times people make the wrong posture by maybe putting it in front. Okay. Has to be here, just below the center of your lungs. Okay. And then. Okay. Legs out. And on those doing modified, drop your knees. We'll do 5 push-ups. Okay. Look straight up. 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Super guys. Loosen your hands. This exercise is basically for your triceps. Okay. Let's build your tricep muscles. Okay. You can have a sip of water or a fresh. We'll do one more set. Like I said, today we're doing upper body exercises. Okay, fingers need to be like this, the middle of your lungs down, legs out. Okay, those doing modified, drop your knees, lock your legs. Okay, 5 counts. 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Awesome. Loosen your hands. Okay, wonderful workout you're doing. Okay, have a sip of water or fresh. Water bottles. Okay, and then we move on to our cool down. Okay, once again stand shoulder length. Okay, hold the weights in your hand. Okay, this is what you have to do. Keep your hand straight first, shoulder length. Bring it to the side, shoulder length, front and down. Okay, front, side, front, down. Okay, so 1 count is front, side, front and down, right? And we do 10 counts. Ready? Let's go. 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your core tight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great going, guys. Loosen your hands again. One more set and then we're done. Okay? Let's go. Stand shoulder length, hands to the side. 3, keep your chest out, keep your core tight. Okay? 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, guys. Last 2, 9, and 10. Super, guys. We did some awesome workout, guys. Please note your hands, your muscles will pain. Okay. If they do, please do the cool down that I'm going to show you maybe twice or thrice today and tomorrow, so that your muscles will ease up. Okay. So first we start by just loosening our hands again. Keep the hands to the side, loosen it. Okay. Then up, loosen your hands. Higher up, loosen your hands. In front. Okay. Now rotate your hands. Take them as far back as you can and cross them when you come in front. Okay. Cross your hands. Take them back. Cross. 2, 3, 4. Opposite direction. 1. Push them as far back as you can. 2, 3, and 4. Super. Okay. Next, hand in front, turn it to the side. Leave the other hand near the elbow and pull the hand in slowly. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Change. Other hand to the side. Pull from the elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We do the same thing again. Pull it in from the elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Change. Other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. Now put your hand at the back. Okay. And pull your elbow in. Look straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Change. Other hand. Put your palm on your back. Put your elbow in. Keep your core tight. Look straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Change again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Change hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. Okay, next, keep your elbows straight, palm facing outwards, fingers down. Pull your fingers in slowly. Okay? Elbow straight, palm facing outwards, fingers down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? Elbow straight, palm facing outwards, fingers upward. Pull your fingers back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Change hand. Elbow straight, palm facing outward, fingers down. Pull your fingers in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elbow straight, palm facing outward, fingers up. Pull it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stand shoulder length. Okay. Hands to the side. Push your shoulders as high up as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now rotate your shoulders. 1, take it as high up as you can and as low as you can. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2. This will help you release your stiff shoulder muscles. 3, 4, and 5. Awesome job, guys. Now inhale. Okay. Exhale. Inhale from your nose. Exhale from your mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Now inhale for 5 counts, hold your breath for 5 counts, and exhale for 5 counts. Okay. Try to keep your eyes closed at that time. Ready? Inhale. Hold your breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Last time. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Superb guys. I hope you enjoyed. Okay. Do follow us on Instagram at Preeti Elton for Fitness. Inviting all of you guys to join us for our virtual workouts every day. Starts at 6, especially for those who are going to work. You can do your workout and go to work. Okay. Enjoy yourselves. You can now do the core workouts, the leg workouts, and the upper body workouts every day alternately. Okay. Enjoy yourselves. Take care. Stay healthy. Stay safe.